What's up, guys? So today I got a case for my Galaxy S24 Plus. I was at 23 Plus. And today I'm going to be installing it, and it also comes with a screen protector. So put this down just to make a little setup just so it doesn't scratch the device by just, slamming it down on the table. So yeah, let's get started. So let's see, it's an Adventurer. So heavy duty case. Is that the brand? Maybe fashion case? I don't know. Let's see what we have in here. Oh, it does have MagSafe too, so that's really nice. Okay. Looks like cleaning kit maybe. Camera protectors and screen protectors. Comes with two of them, which is nice. And here's the case. Let's take a look. It actually looks really nice. Have the double microphone space. It has like shock protection, which is good. Buttons look good. Has like a small lip, actually, which is surprising. Good lip for the camera. This is what it looks like. So let's put this on. Ooh, crispy. That looks really nice. Ooh. Did you right next to the microphone? Very satisfying, very clicky. It looks great. At the end, I will test it with MagSafe. Actually, oh, man, this actually looks and feels super nice. It keeps the phone, like, minimalistic. It has a good lip for added protection for drops. And so let's go ahead and add the screen protector. So just for, oh, okay, it wasn't quite on. So my phone could have been croaked. Oh, that's fine. So let's go ahead and just, like I said, put on the setup. Okay. Put it on there. Okay, so there really isn't any instructions besides this. So use alcohol clean wipes. Okay. Close enough. Actually, let's take this guy out. See what we're dealing with. Okay, so pretty typical screen protector. Okay, so let's see what we got here. So this is, I think that, oh, it's a wet wipe. Okay, so let's go ahead. It's not even really wet. It's more like a damp wipe. So that's actually first. Let's go ahead and power this device off. Okay. Okay, so that's done. So then we're going to go over it with the microfiber cloth. And let me know down in the comments whether or not you picked up an S24 series device. And if so, let me know down in the comments which one you got and also what color variant. I always like to hear from you guys. Try not to get like my fingerprints like all over this thing. It looks crispy. It looks shiny. Okay, so let's put this back on. Okay, and then now for the dust sticker. Guide sticker. What is this? Okay. Well, I don't know what a guide sticker is. Oh. I don't know. I'm pretty sure this isn't what it's used for, though, but I don't know. I know how to align a screen protector, so. Also, if you want to buy this case and screen protector after watching this video, if you like it and how everything turned out, I will leave a link down in the description to where you can purchase it. I got it off Amazon. And if you buy it from the link down in the description, I will get a 10% commission off of the purchase. Obviously, you don't have to pay a 10% extra. That's just 10% of that purchase goes towards my YouTube channel to make the videos as best as I can. So just first, oh, there's a fly. I hate flies. Okay. I need to find out. Okay. What? I'm just going to peel this off and trust that.
Bombastic side eye.
Did I miss something? Is that just me? What? Hold on. So this is really confusing. There's a bubble there. Here we go. This is not a good experience so far already. Aww. Oh, great. Okay. Let's go ahead and align this with the device. That just barely cleared. Ooh, it could go down a lot more, but that was really fast. Bubbles went down, and that's okay. I'll take it. So installation, a little bit finicky at first. Nothing underneath though. Clean up bubbles. I'm kind of concerned though how that camera turned out. Hopefully it'll be fine though. So let's add this case back on. Actually feels really nice. Now my phone is fully protected. Screen also still feels super responsive. Let's get all this out of the way. Okay, this guy wants to be famous. So, screen obviously still works. Let's check out that camera. Okay. Let me take a quick selfie. There's no, like, it didn't, like, overlap or anything, which is good, because I was pretty worried that it would, because if you can see, it's pretty close. Okay, so sorry guys, this is future me, and realizing that I ended the video without even testing the MagSafe capabilities. So here is a official Apple charger. Doesn't even have any official stuff. It doesn't, but as you can see, it is definitely an Apple charger. Let's plug this into here, and definitely a solid connection, and it just feels really nice. And oh, that was actually kind of hard to get off, but as you can see, it's charging, and let's see if I can hold it. Yeah, I can hold it by the charger, so it's definitely not going anywhere. So yes, MagSafe, it works. And to be honest, it's actually really good. Screen protector, I think it was like $14 or something. And if you buy it through my link, you'll get a 2% off discount or coupon. So that can go towards your purchase. Fingerprints still work. Let's check that again. Yeah, so that's actually really nice. Let's just make sure everything works. Obviously, buttons still work. Camera, you have a lot of protection, as you can see. And like I said, there's like shock absorption. And then there's like a lip at the bottom, as you can see, to allow you to like put your device on it and actually not scratch the back of the case. And this feels really premium. And then you have a lanyard, I don't know, like loop that you can put through. And then for microphones at the top, you have plenty of room, as you can see. Plenty of room to put in or to have your microphones show. And obviously there's nothing on the right or except for that lanyard strip. At the bottom, we have plenty of room for that speaker for the speaker and the microphone and the charging cable, as you can see. It goes Type-C. And yeah, and it also it has a great protection for the lip for the screen, so as you can see, it goes above the display. So yeah, this case is definitely great and definitely worth the price of $12 if you use my coupon. So thank you so much for watching that video. If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. And like I said, that link for the case will be down in the description for you to purchase. And if you are interested in other content that I have in the Galaxy S24 Plus, those videos will be right here. And also check out my channel and consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one. I'll see you then.